Hey, and welcome to Smart Office, weekly tips and tricks to work around Microsoft Office applications.
How to insert add-ins in Microsoft Office applications. We have all heard of add-ins, but many of us really do not know what they are or what they do, especially in Microsoft Office application. An add-in is a device or a piece of software that can be added to a computer to give the extra features or functions. In this video, I will describe how to install any add-in in any Microsoft Office applications. Just watch and enjoy.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.